Thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ebony Bella. What to do? What's good? What's popping? I hope everybody is fine. I hope everybody's doing great. So I decided to make cocoa butter body cream for us today, and let's just jump straight right to the video. Hey, lest I forget, if you're stopping by for the very first time, please do me way to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like what you see. I always bring new and interesting content. I do DIYs. I like making new things every day. I like trying new things. So if you're that kind of a person who likes to do experiments and DIYs, this is the channel for you. So back to the video. That's my cocoa butter, and we all know that making lotion or creams has two phases. We have our water phase and our oil phase, and this is my oil phase now. My cocoa butter is already in there. I'm just adding in my oils. That's my lemon oil, as you can see on the screen, and that's my castor oil. Castor oil is good for the skin. It has a lot of benefits. I don't want to be sounding all nerdy all the time, like explaining everything and saying this one is good for this, this one is good for this. So just watch, enjoy, and maybe do your research before trying out any DIY that you see. Okay, it's another ingredient. I didn't talk about this one. I didn't introduce it. That's my stearic acid. I really want this mixture to be like thick, really thick and creamy. So that's why I'm putting in my stearic acid. Yeah, to help to really thicken the mixture again. And we have our e-wax. Water and oil can never ever combine. So this is where almighty e-wax comes in. It helps to combine water and oil. It acts as a middle man. Yeah. So I'm just going to be putting that in there. And that's that for the oil phase. Now for the water phase. I'm using my vegetable glycerin as a humectant because I want to feel moisturized all day long. So I'm going to use my vegetable glycerin. Next thing, I'm going to take in my rose water. I'm almost running out of rose water. Rose water is very nice. It's like soothing for the skin. So soothing, and I like the scent of it. It smells like roses. And guys, there's another thing I forgot. I went ahead to add water. Even though I had not added it here, but I added water. I added about 1/3 cup of water, not tap water. I use mineral water, but they say the best kind of water to use is distilled water. I didn't have that in hand. And that powder you see there, that's my collagen powder. It's the first time I'm actually working with this powder, but I've had a lot of good things about collagen powder that is good for the skin. It reduces the appearance of aging, it tightens your skin and all that good stuff. So I decided to add it into this lotion. And then I went off camera to like heat up my oil and my water in a water bath, and voila, So we're just going to pour our water into our oil and see the magic. Oh la la. See guys, when you're making lotion or cream, and you combine your oil and your water, and it turns to this creamy consistency, or the color, let me not say creamy consistency, the color changes to white or cream white, know that you're on the right track. Just know that you have made it in life. So I just going to I'll just go ahead and use my stick blender to blend like to help it, to help combine everything and speed up the thickening process. Guys, you can see it's light, but trust me, as it cools down, it's going to be thick and creamy. If you don't want your cream to be that thick like mine, you don't want it to be too thick, reduce the quantity of the stearic acid you're putting in there, because already cocoa butter is hard. So if you don't want it to be too thick, reduce the stearic acid and you'll be fine. But I wanted mine to be really thick. I wanted it to have that butter kind of consistency. Yeah, the cream is basically done. As you can see, it's getting thicker and thicker, and to get thicker as it cools down. See, it's getting thicker and creamier. So while our lotion is still warm, we'll go ahead and add our preservative. Don't let it get cool. It should be warm before you put your preservative. If you don't have preservative, you can just go ahead and store it in your fridge and just remove it whenever you want to use it. But since I have my preservative, I'll go ahead and preserve it. I don't want it to grow mold or bacteria and cause harm to me. That's why I'm putting my preservative in there. I just go ahead and stir some more. I use my stick blender to blend some more, like to combine that preservative that I've put in there. And guys, can you see it's getting thicker and thicker and thicker, and voila, that's our cream. For this cream, guys, you can go ahead and add whatever you want to add. You can mix your lightening serums and all the yummy goodness that you want to add in there, because it's pretty simple and straight to the point. So you can go ahead and add whatever you want to add there. But I'm a dark skin girl, so this is just perfect for me. If you notice, I didn't add any scents, nothing. I just wanted it to be there. I didn't want any fragrance. I just wanted it to be there like that. So I didn't add anything. It's just plain, just the scent of the cocoa butter and the rose water that is there. My lighting was really poor. But guys, that's our final product. See how smooth and creamy and velvety that looks. The joy of creating something from scratch is I don't know, it's unmeasurable. Like, I'm so happy, and see how it glides into my skin. Like, it just soaks into my skin, and my skin looking all soft and fresh and glowy, and it's not greasy, it's just soft. I just feel like running my fingers in there like for the whole day. It's so soothing. So if you've watched up to this point and you're subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't you like what you see? I know you like what you see, so scroll down and click on that subscription button, and bye bye.